Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best watermelon cotton candy is probably one of the most delightful and whimsical treats you can find, blending the nostalgic sweetness of classic cotton candy with the refreshing, juicy flavor of summer watermelon, creating a unique sensory experience that's perfect for parties, summer gatherings, or just a fun, guilt-free indulgence that transports you back to carefree days with every melt in your mouth bite. Number 5. Cotton Candy Express CC1000S Cotton Candy Machine. Bring the fun of the fair home with this easy-to-use cotton candy machine. It's perfect for parties and gatherings, letting you create sweet treats in minutes. Get creative with your flavors. Beyond the included Floss sugars, you can even use crushed hard candies to make unique cotton candy creations. Making cotton candy is as easy as turning it on, heating it up, adding your sugar, and collecting the fluffy treat. It's a simple process for a delightful outcome. Enjoy your sweet creations without the hassle of difficult cleanup. Just a little water and soap is all you need. Plus, its lightweight design makes storage a breeze. Indulge in fluffy cotton candy without worry. The included sugars are free from common allergens like peanuts, tree nuts, eggs, dairy, and soy. This kit includes everything you need to get started: the machine, 5 flavors of Floss sugar, and 50 paper cones. It's ready to make over 100 servings of fun. What we like? This kit comes with everything you need to get started, including multiple sugar flavors and cones. You can even use crushed hard candies for unique flavors. If you're looking for versatility and a fun, creative experience, this is the one for you. It's perfect for those who love to experiment and want a hassle-free cleanup. What people say. It works well, is very easy to use, and comes with large containers of the flavored sugar and plenty of supplies. Setup was super easy, no instructions really needed. The machine works pretty well. The kit is complete. And what makes it special is that you get much more than a teaser. You realistically get enough cotton candy supplies to enjoy over and over again. Number 4. Cotton Candy Express Floss Sugar Variety Pack. Get ready for a carnival experience at home. This variety pack brings you everything you need to create delicious cotton candy. Enjoy a spectrum of tastes with our 5 exciting Floss sugar flavors: lime, watermelon, pina colada, blue raspberry, and pink vanilla. They're made simply with sugar and artificial flavoring for that classic taste. Each jar provides 20 to 30 servings, meaning you can make plenty of treats to share. Mix and match flavors for a unique tie-dye effect. We've also included 50 paper cones so you can start enjoying your creations right away. Perfect for collecting your fluffy masterpieces. Achieve professional, carnival-quality cotton candy with this kit. Just add your favorite cotton candy machine and get ready for a sweet adventure. Don't forget to check out our other unique flavors and treats. We offer lemonade and Hawaiian shaved ice for even more delicious possibilities. What we like? Experience a taste of the carnival with these exciting and unique flavors like watermelon and pina colada. This pack includes cones, making it easy to recreate that fairground magic at home. If you're craving those nostalgic, exotic tastes and want to impress at your next gathering, this is your go-to choice. What people say. It works great, even our little maker. The flavors are amazing to eat. The colors are great. Each flavor comes well sealed, with intense colors and a fine texture that melts quickly in the machine. The cotton candy comes out fluffy, sweet, and with an incredible aroma. These are such good flavors. They work great in our cheap candy floss maker. Number 3. Cotton Candy Express Floss Sugar Variety Pack. Get ready to delight your senses with our exciting variety pack. It includes 5 delicious flavors: lime, watermelon, pina colada, blue raspberry, and pink vanilla. Easily create the classic carnival treat you love right at home. Simply use our Floss sugar with your cotton candy machine for instant fun. Each jar yields 20 to 30 servings, perfect for any occasion. Mix and match flavors to invent unique tie-dye cotton candy creations. Elevate your next event, from slumber parties and birthdays to weddings and BBQs. It's the perfect way to add a touch of sweetness and fun. Achieve that professional, fair quality cotton candy with ease. All you need is our Floss sugar and a home cotton candy maker. Discover even more delightful flavors in our store, including lemonade and Hawaiian shaved ice. Your taste buds are in for a treat. What we like. This pack offers a fantastic range of flavors to suit any preference, perfect for any event. The ability to mix and match allows for creative, tie-dye effects. If you're planning a party, sleepover, or any celebration and want to offer a fun, customizable treat, this is an excellent option. What people say. The cotton candy machine is easy to use and produces fluffy cotton candy. The watermelon flavor is a hit with kids and adults alike. It's a fun addition to parties and gatherings. Number 2. Cotton Candy Express Floss Sugar and Cones Kit. Bring the fun of the carnival right to your home. This kit provides everything you need to create delicious, fluffy cotton candy just like the pros. Enjoy 3 classic flavors: bubble gum, green apple, and pina colada. Each jar makes 20 to 30 servings, perfect for any gathering. Get creative by mixing and matching flavors to create unique tie-dye effects. The possibilities for sweetness are endless. Elevate your next party, from birthdays and holidays to baby showers and backyard BBQs. It's a guaranteed hit for all ages. We've included 50 paper cones so you can start enjoying your homemade treats right away. Experience that classic carnival nostalgia. Designed to work perfectly with your Cotton Candy Express machine. Simply scoop or pour and watch the magic happen. What we like. This option provides a curated selection of 3 popular flavors, ideal for smaller gatherings or trying out new tastes. It comes with cones, ready for immediate enjoyment. If you're looking for a more focused flavor experience or a smaller kit for a specific event, this is a great choice. What people say. Our machine takes 1 tablespoon, which creates a nice size batch of cotton candy. The flavors are delicious and the colors come out so nice, just like at the fair. It has the classic bubble gum flavoring, but then it kicks things up a notch with green apple and pina colada. The flavors are rich. I was worried they would be too wispy and understated, but to my pleasant surprise they were strong and delicious. Number 1. Cotton Candy Express Floss Sugar Variety Pack. Get ready for a carnival experience at home. This variety pack brings you 5 delicious flavors of flossing sugar, perfect for any sweet tooth. We've included everything you need to get started, including 5 11-ounce jars of our popular flavors and 50 paper cones. Just add your cotton candy machine. Simply scoop or pour the sugar into your machine and watch the magic happen. You'll create the same fluffy, delicious cotton candy you love from fairs and carnivals. Mix and match flavors to create exciting tie-dye effects. Each jar makes 20 to 30 servings, so the fun can last even longer. Bring the joy of cotton candy to your next party or family gathering. It's the perfect way to add a touch of sweetness and nostalgia. Don't forget to check out our other unique flavors and treats. We have something for everyone to enjoy. What we like. Enjoy a selection of classic, crowd-pleasing flavors that are sure to be a hit. Each jar provides ample servings, perfect for larger parties. If you want to ensure everyone gets their fill of traditional favorites and are hosting a bigger event, this variety pack is the perfect solution. What people say. Our machine takes 1 tablespoon, which creates a nice size batch of cotton candy. The containers have plenty in each of them for our family of 3. The flavors are delicious and the colors come out so nice, just like at the fair. It has the classic bubble gum flavoring, but then it kicks things up a notch with green apple and pina colada. The flavors are rich. I was worried they would be too wispy and understated, but to my pleasant surprise they were strong and delicious. These sugar crystals made some delicious and fun cotton candy for my birthday party. Trying the different flavors were a hit. But I will say the most potent in flavor is the green apple. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.